Hi guys, Esther here. I'm back with another Bambooshoot recipe. Today I'll be showing you how to cook Northeastern pork lovers' favorite curry, that is pork with fresh Bambooshoot. To cook Naga food, you don't need much ingredients. It is a very simple recipe, yet it always tastes the best. So now let me quickly show you what are the ingredients that I'm going to use for our today's recipe.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos. For our today's recipe, I'm gonna use some fresh pork. I'm also going to use 2 tomatoes. But if you want it to be authentic Naga dish, then you can add bambooshoot juice instead of tomato. Here I have some fresh bambooshoot that I have already boiled. I'm gonna use 1 king chili. You can add the number of chilies according to your taste. I'm also going to use some garlic and ginger, salt to taste, and a little bit of chili powder. First we will add the pork in a pan, and after that we will add some salt to taste. Now let's stir fry the pork without adding any oil till it turns golden brown. Let's keep it in a medium flame. Make sure you fry the pork on each side till it turns a little brownish, but it should not be crispy. Now let's add the chopped tomatoes, and after that let's give it a good stir. And now we will also add the chili powder. Let's mix it well again. I'll be cooking this in a medium flame till the tomatoes become tender. Let's also add the king chili. And let's cover it with the lid. In the meantime, I'll be washing the fresh bambooshoot, which I have already boiled. Now let's have a look at the pork. Wow, it smells so good. It gets stuck in the pan easily, so you need to frequently keep stirring it. I'll be cooking this way for another 2 minutes again. So let me just cover it with the lid. It's already 2 minutes now, so let's have a look at our pork. Wow, it smells so delicious. Next is I'm going to add some water to this, and I'm going to cook for some time again. So let me add the water. 1 cup, 2 cups. Now we will cook this till it comes to boiling. As you can see, it has started to boil. Now let me add the bambooshoot so that it gets cooked well along with the pork. We will be cooking this till the pork and the bambooshoot becomes tender, so let's cover it with the lid and cook. We have been cooking this for about 30 minutes, so let's have a look. Yeah, it's almost done, but I'm trying to get a curry to be a little thick and also less watery, so let's cover it with a lid and cook for some time again. In the meantime, I will roughly pound the ginger. Next is the garlic. Okay, let's check the pork again. Now we will add the final ingredient, that is roughly pounded ginger and garlic. Let's mix it well. This is what I want it to be, that is less gravy. But if you want it to have gravy, then you can add the ginger and the garlic before the gravy dries up. So we are done with our today's recipe, that is pork with fresh bambooshoot. If you like the recipe, try cooking this and let me know in the comment section how did it taste. Thanks and keep watching Nagaland Foodie.